Hey guys, it's Who Scumbag, and today I'm going to be doing a review about new features on my skateboard. So I got the Adventure Rumor trucks. They're purple. I got new wheels. I don't know what they are. My friend gave it to me. I think they're DGK. I don't know. Or Plan B. Got new bushings. Wait. Got new bushings. It makes my board squeak, but I'll get used to it. Bearing test. Let's do it. I'm gonna do the top first. Bottom. Don't mind razor tail, you know. Back one's pretty bad. I don't think so. I'm gonna be skating a little bit better. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Yeah. For Saturday's Halloween. Hope you guys have some fun. For all the people out there trick-or-treating. I'm down to be I am Deadpool. Get my Yeah, so I'm Deadpool. Pretty nice. I've actually got this mask from China. Yeah. This is all the stuff I have for it. Yeah, pretty sick. I was just fingerboarding. Got this 4-corner fingerboards. Shout out to 4-corner fingerboards, actually. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.